Hello viewers, welcome to Trendy Output YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make Maggi Pakoda. Let's start. Switch on the flame and add 4 cups of water. Let it boil. While boiling the water, add 2 packs of Maggi. After boil the Maggi, switch off the flame and remove the excess water. Add finely chopped onions. Add 1 spoon of jeera powder, 1 spoon of coriander powder. Add Maggi masala also. Add 1 spoon of chili powder. Add salt to taste. Now mix well. Now our pakoda mix is ready. After mixing the all ingredients, finally add gram flour for pakoda binding. Now mix well. Now our pakoda mix is ready. Let's start. Pakoda is ready. Finally, our Maggi Pakoda is ready. We can serve with sauce.